Hello everyone, I'm Claire. Welcome to my channel. Today is the 14th day of practice. We say, the mindfulness exercises we've been doing have brought us closer to our breath and body. And now, we will expand the power of mindfulness to encompass the full range of emotions and feelings that flow through our lives. Come and sit in a position that helps you relax and stay alert. Establishing a simple sense of presence by noticing the state of your body and mind. You might feel a gentle smile of kindness on your lips, allowing that sense of warmth to fill your body and enhance your receptivity to a kind presence. Now, focus your attention on your primary anchor, your body, or the natural rhythm of your breath. With a sense of relaxation and concentration, and as you feel each breath, allow your mind to calm and your body to relax. If it's helpful, try using the words calm when breathing in and steady when breathing out to relax. Now, you have settled for a bit with your primary anchor. Turn the same quality of careful attention to notice whatever feelings are present right now. And as you do this, let your mindfulness have an attitude of gentleness, of care, and of interest. You're exploring the amazing flow of human emotions. As a mindful observer, simply acknowledging what is present. Often, it is possible to experience multiple emotions at once, including feelings of peace, satisfaction, and joy, or distress, annoyance, and pain. Sometimes, you may feel very few sensations. That's okay. You may experience simply quiet or unexciting emotions, such as stillness, boredom, numbness, blankness. These are emotions too. With mindfulness, you are simply asked to recognize every feeling that comes up and acknowledge them with respect. No need to judge them or change them. Let them be. They're the human river of feelings. Noticing whatever feelings are present right in this moment. Also, notice how the feelings are experienced as body sensations. Whether it's anxiety or happiness, resentment or friendliness, each can be felt as patterns of energy and sensations in different parts of the body. See if you can sense where feelings live in your body and how the sensations feel. Opening to whatever you're aware of with a kind, receptive attention. Moment to moment, noticing the feelings that live through. You might ask, what is happening inside me right now? And can I be with this? Feelings move and change slowly. Simply notice them and let them be. The point is not to stop the river of feelings, but to know them with awareness. Now, again, return to feel the breath or your body anchor, calming and steadying your attention. As you arrive at your home base, continue feeling it in the foreground, the breath or body anchor. And as you do, you can sense in the background whatever feeling states are here. And if a strong feeling arises, then let the breath recede. And again, acknowledging, owing to whatever feeling is predominant. And then, when it no longer calls your attention, arrive again in your home base. In this way, you're learning to be centered, balanced, and present for the breath, body, and emotions. Responding as needed, wisely aware of them all.